Hey there, everybody. So, I just wanted to inform everybody that drives a Jeep Cherokee. My Jeep Cherokee was a 2000 Jeep Cherokee Sport with a 6-cylinder 4.0 inline. And this is the synchronizer. This part is called the camshaft synchronizer, from my knowledge. And this, you'll see when you're looking at the engine, it's on the left side. And this is right underneath that camshaft positioning sensor. And this whole part was actually bad. Take a good look at the damage at the top. And also on these gears, the wear. See that right there? Mainly, I believe the problem was up here. Try to show you, it's not really focusing, but right there you can see. So, the symptoms that I was having was my Jeep would crank over, but it wouldn't start. And also sometimes sitting at a light, the Jeep would stall out, or sitting at a waiting in line at the drive-thru. See the play in there? Major play in there. So you can even see. So I highly suggest to check that out if you're having the same symptoms. There's not much on YouTube about this, so that's what I'm trying to tell you. When you go to replace this, there's a gasket, and it has to be put in a certain way, specifically when your engine's on top dead center on the compression stroke. So if you want to do that, take out all your spark plugs, get down there and crank your engine over and get on top dead center, and check to see if you're on the compression stroke by verifying through the spark plug holes. Then also when you get this, buy it brand new, see that hole? There's like a little alignment tool. Really, it's just a little plastic piece that aligns up with that hole right there on the side. So this little window it spins over, or let's see, it would be this, I believe it would be this way. Boom, boom, boom. That's what it's recognizing, the magnetic sensor. So now when this whole when you get the part brand new, there's going to be a little alignment tool. And it's just a little pin that keeps it in place right there. So right through there. That hole right on the side. Pin goes through there and holds that little window right in a line. Stick that, take your old one out, stick that one down in there, make sure the gasket's on there. And there's the number there for you. Check it out if you're having no start issues or have already replaced your sensors. I already replaced those, and then I figured out I took this off and I noticed the wear on there. Major wear. So it's been 2,000 miles ever since, and I'm ready to head out west. And it was all because of this. I was down for 2 months being diagnosed. So keep it up there. Memento. Alright. Cheers. Have a good one. Good luck. Thanks.